Lost your SafeLink service? Reactivating is now primarily online. The most common reasons for needing to reactivate are non-payment or eligibility lapses. Here's how to reactivate. First, head to my.safelink.com or use the SafeLink mobile app available on iOS and Android. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Reactivate Service option. You'll need to verify your eligibility, which might involve uploading documents proving your income or participation in programs like SNAP or Medicaid. Clear any outstanding balance using a credit or debit card, bank transfer, or apps like PayPal or Venmo. For most cases, you do not have to visit in person to complete this process, with over 90% of reactivations being completed online. If needed, the portal also allows you to request a replacement SIM. Service reactivation typically takes 24 to 48 hours. If you encounter issues, SafeLink's online portal has AI-powered chatbots for instant troubleshooting. Note that you must qualify for Lifeline to reactivate. If your service was suspended for non-payment, there's a 30-day grace period before deactivation becomes permanent after 60 days. Security is crucial, so multi-factor authentication is mandatory. If you're not digitally literate or need assistance in another language, SafeLink offers multilingual support. The biggest telecom trend of 2025 is migrating towards digital-first models, where customers prefer online reactivation over call centers. If you require a new SIM card, you can order a free one through the online portal if eligible.